What's going on, guys? We are here at Cabelas and we are going to be purchasing a roof basket cargo. I'll get the exact name when I get in there and buy it. I'm gonna show you guys what it's all about and if it's worth your money. All right, we purchased her and we got it all loaded up in the back seat. This is my 2002 Toyota Sequoia that it's going to be going on top of right there. Alrighty guys, so here we have the Cabelas deluxe rooftop basket. I'm going to be taking it out. I thought I was going to have to assemble a lot of it, but judging on how big the box is, it looks like I'm going to have minimal assembly. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what it's all about. Alrighty guys, as you can see in the box, it looks like it comes in its 3 sections. Looks like there's a little box there with the mounting hardware. We're gonna get this all taken out and see if we can throw it together. Alrighty guys, so this is everything that they gave us, all the hardware included. Those are gonna attach that middle extension. Those are the mounts that we're gonna put on the roof rack to attach it to that roof rack up there. All the hardware, that's the front plate that's gonna be going on the front. The front's going to be this slanted part like that, the middle extension, and we got the rear end. We're going to go ahead and try to get that extension put on to make the whole entire thing 64 inches. You're going to want to slide the 2 pieces together, which I found to be decently difficult, not on this side, but on the other side. Oh, there we go. Went ahead and grabbed my mallet to see if I can get this end to slide in a little bit more. There we go. And the bottom. Awesome. So as you can see on the top here, our holes are now lined up. We're going to repeat that process for the rear end. After this process, you're going to want to take these, fairings, connectors to the side. They snap right on, and you want to make sure that the holes align with the top and bottom. You're going to grab these short screws and screw them in on top. So you're going to repeat that process for all 4 connectors. I believe there's one on the bottom that you have to get as well, but we'll flip that over and do it once we're done with the top. They did give you a piece for the back side as well. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that on there. Make sure everything's lined up again. And throw that bolt through. So for the front, you're gonna have to take these round clips, throw them on top, 1 in each section on both sides. So I guess what they're saying is on the bottom, they're going to give you these 6 of these spacer tubes. So on the bottom, you're going to use a longer bolt that they provide and then put the spacer on top and then put the bolt through the front plate. So we're going to try this, put the spacer on, throw it through. Use a shorter screw for the top side, I believe. Alright, so this is very odd how they designed this. So I'm going to explain this in the best way I can. You're going to want to rest the bolt in this hexagon and then screw it in from the other side. I was trying to screw the bolt on from back here and there was no room. But you actually just set the bolt in there and then screw it in from the top side. I'm going to repeat that process over here and show you guys what it looks like. So what you're gonna do is take your bolt, set it in that hexagon right there. Well, first you're gonna slide over, make sure it lines up. And then from the top side, see that hexagon's in there, or that bolt's in that hexagon? Then you're gonna wanna hold this back side while you throw this through the top and just screw it in there. And then with the bottom, you're gonna do the same thing, but throw the spacer in on the bottom. All right, now that we got it mostly assembled, we're gonna go ahead and take the sticker off. Looks like we're gonna need some heat for that. Maybe I'll do it when it's up there, but we're going to remove this. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get this thrown up onto the Sequoia, get it mounted up with the mounts that they provided us. What we're gonna go ahead and do now is get this centered on how we want it, lengthwise on the truck, widthwise on the truck as well. So it ended up being a perfect fit. So now all we have to do is mount them down with these mounts that Cabelas provided. And that is going to be these. Actually, you're gonna take this bolt and throw it through this foam protector or the rubber protector. Throw it through the bottom. Like this, and then throw a washer on each side. And then throw the wing nuts on the top. Then you're just gonna tighten everything to your liking and make sure it is secured down on here so you are not losing this on the freeway. And then you're just gonna repeat that process for 3 more mounts. All right, and there is our finished look on the Sequoia. Once we take that sticker off, it'll look a lot better. And until I test it, I don't really know if it's gonna be worth it, but for now, I believe it was worth the $130 at Cabelas. When you look at companies like Sherpa and Prinsu, they make great roof racks, but for me, a budget overlander or a budget vehicle builder, that's really not in the equation for me. I'm just trying to get out on the trails and have a good time. So spending this $130 to have storage on the top, 64 inches of storage on the top of the Sequoia, was not a bad choice for me. It's nice to have the basket as well. Even though some people may not like how that looks, I like to have the basket. You can have items stored in there. You can just strap them down, get in, get out, and get ready on your way. This one was the cheapest I found available near me. Package, you get it all included. You can go to your local Cabelas Bass Pro Shop, pick it up, get it assembled. I assembled it. If I wasn't recording, I could have had it in under 30 minutes. I had it in a little under an hour. So it's just quick and easy and a good solution if you want to have storage for the top of your vehicle. Now I'm going to be making plenty more content on the Sequoia build. I hope you guys follow along. I want to make my first couple trips and I want to show you guys spots in Ohio that you can overland at. For now, I'm just going to be building up the Sequoia and we'll see where it goes from there. So if you guys want to follow along, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll greatly appreciate that. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.